So I'll be showing you how to change the font on your Instagram name. So simply tap on your profile icon to go to your profile page, and then tap on edit profile to open up the profile editor, and then you have your Instagram name, which you can tap on. And this is my name in the default font. So I can come here and select this name. So I'll just double tap on it to bring up this menu, have it selected, and then copy. Now you can now exit out of Instagram and then go to your favorite browser. I like Chrome, so I'll just go ahead and use Chrome. And then now what I want to do is come to Google search and just search font changer. Just search for any font changer, and I'll pick any. For instance, I can just pick this one. And then I'll paste my text here, which is my name. And then I'll choose from any of these fonts. So let's say, for instance, I want this particular font. So I'm just gonna tap on it and have it selected like that. And then I'll copy. And then now I can go back into Instagram, delete the current name in the default font, and then I'll paste my new name in my new font. And then I can tap on done in the top right corner. It's gonna ask me if I'm sure I want to change my name, and I won't be able to change it again in 14 days. So I'll just tap on change name, and that should be my new name in the new font, as you can see. Okay, so if I go to my profile page and refresh it, you can see my profile name, my Instagram name has a different font. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.